Rubber bands, those unassuming little loops of elastic that somehow multiply in the corners of drawers and mysteriously appear in the oddest places. But these stretchy wonders are more than just office supply escape artists. Here are 15 creative and downright amusing ways to make rubber bands your household heroes. Number 1. Secure lids on containers. Is your leftover soup trying to make a jailbreak? Wrap a rubber band around the lid and container to keep the rebellious lid in check. No more fridge avalanches. Number 2. Grip for stripped screws. Stripped screws can be as stubborn as a cat refusing a bath. Tame them by wrapping a rubber band around the screw head to give your screwdriver some much-needed traction. You'll be the household handyman hero. Number 3. Bookmark. Lost your bookmark again? No problem. Wrap a rubber band around the cover and pages of your book. It's not just a bookmark, it's a book hug. Number 4. No-slip hangers. Prevent your clothes from having their own floor party by wrapping rubber bands around the ends of hangers. Your wardrobe will stay in line and your floor will stay cleaner. Number 5. Jar opener. Struggling with a jar lid tighter than a drum? Wrap a rubber band around it to get a better grip and twist that sucker open. Your muscles and your sanity will thank you. Number 6. Pencil eraser substitute. When your eraser is down to a nub, a thick rubber band can save the day. Wrap it around the end of a pencil and erase away. It's like having a mini magic wand. Number 7. Keep doors from locking. Moving furniture or carrying groceries? Wrap a rubber band around the doorknobs on both sides to prevent the door from latching. You won't have to do the awkward door dance ever again. Organize cords. Are your cords doing the tangled tango? Use rubber bands to keep them organized. It's like group therapy for your cables. Finally, they'll all get along. Number 9. Paintbrush drip catcher. Keep your paint can rim clean by wrapping a rubber band around the center of the open can. Wipe your brush on the band to remove excess paint and say goodbye to drips and spills. Picasso would be proud. Number 10. Temporary fix for glasses. Lost a screw from your glasses? Don't squint your way through the day. Use a small rubber band to hold the frame together until you can get a proper fix. Number 11. Flower arrangements. Keep your flower stems together by wrapping a rubber band around them before placing them in a vase. Your floral display will go from chaotic to classy in no time. Number 12. Child-proof cabinets. Child on a mission to explore every cabinet? Wrap a thick rubber band around the handles to keep these doors shut tight. It's a temporary fix, but it buys you some peace of mind. Number 13. Improvised seal for leaky pipes. Got a leaky pipe and no plumber in sight? Wrap a rubber band tightly around the leak as a temporary fix. It's like a band-aid for your plumbing woes. Number 14. Identify luggage. Spot your luggage in a sea of sameness by wrapping a brightly colored rubber band around the handle. No more awkwardly checking every black suitcase at the airport. Number 15. hold cutting board in place. Tired of chasing your cutting board across the counter? Wrap a rubber band around each end to keep it steady while you chop and slice. Your fingers and your patience will both remain intact. Rubber bands, they're not just for shooting across the office anymore. With these tips, you'll find yourself stretching their uses in ways you never imagined. Stay safe, stay secure, and go forth and band together your household with these elastic marvels. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.